Well, salutes, compadres. Glad to have you talking again here. I'm in Arizona, and we have a little old canyon here called the Grand Canyon. That sucker's a mile deep, and you fall off of that, and you ain't going to survive. But I'll tell you something else. They got lots of trails for hiking if you likes to hike. They got the Trail. That's a hard one. And then they got the Bright Angel Trail. The Bright Angel Trail is probably one of the easier trails of all of them. But I was watching a ranger, and I talking to some people, and he was telling them they need to sign the book when they go down, and even get a number of their car written down there. And then come in the evening, they go back and they check them cars, and if one's still there, they know someone is stuck down on the trail and can't make it back out. That's kind of the way life is. We get going down a trail, and if it ain't the right trail and we ain't up to it, we can get stuck, and we need a little help getting out. Friends, that's what the Winchester Cathedral and the Temple of New Thought, that taunt.org, that's what we're all about, to give you the help that you need. So God bless you, and adios, compadres.